everyone, welcome back to another video. So a lot of questions came in about the bathroom cleaning, and so I'm going to show you guys a very thorough way of how I clean my bathrooms. So most of you guys are new. I do focus a lot on teaching people how to clean when they are dealing with depression, anxiety, and ADHD. I myself have been diagnosed with those. I had postpartum depression, postpartum anxiety, and recently got diagnosed with ADHD. And so some of those things will go back to the schedules. Today, my schedule calls for bathroom cleanup. So I am doing a very thorough cleanup because I do not clean my entire house in one day. That's kind of part of the whole thing, not being overwhelmed. But when I do have that schedule and I have that room clean, I have to deep clean it. That's the whole point, right? That way you don't have to clean it every single day. And I know I'm gonna be asked this, just because I'm saying I don't clean it doesn't mean I don't pick up things that I see. I have like 5 to 20 minutes for my entire house for a reset, where I just put things back where they belong. I throw trash away, and I just, if I have time, I give it a little wipe down, and if I don't, then I wait for that day to come for that specific room. So let's get started. So my cleaning products lineup. A lot of you guys reached out and were very concerned about the very toxic stuff that I use. For the most part, I make my own cleaner, okay? This is Miss Meyer's cleaner. It's good for cleaning the areas, wiping them down. But when there are messes that need thorough disinfecting, I do my absolute best to sometimes get some of these things. I understand that the hazard part of it, and trust me, I do my absolute best, but they are things that I just cannot clean with vinegar. I do my best, guys, so just please bear with me. Otherwise, I like to use pastes like this Scrub Mommy paste or the pink stuff, or I like to use Spray Away as opposed to Windex. And then I like to have these sponges from Scrub Daddy. These are amazing because they have the soft and the hard surface. And for things like the counters, this is okay, but I like to make sure the toilets are cleaned properly. For the tub in the shower, I actually just use soap, because soap will get rid of like the lime scale and all the buildup. And then I use a glass cleaner because we have glass doors. So first things first, I like to make sure I dust and I clean from top to bottom, okay? So we're gonna start with the lights, then we're gonna take care of the mirrors, then we're gonna take care of the sinks and the counters, and then that, and then the floors. So let's get to it.